Hey y'all, welcome to my channel if you're new, and if you were already subscribed, thanks for tuning into another video. So as you can see by the title, today I'm just gonna show y'all how I get my twist outs. And yeah, so just make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we're just gonna get right into it. And I washed my hair last night and I put it in these plaits. I'm about to take it out. I put it in these plaits because I noticed when I do my hair, when it's more dry or just a little damp, my twist outs come out bigger. And I know how I feel about big hair. I love big hair. So we're gonna do it on dry to damp hair. So I'm just about to take these plaits out my hair so we could go ahead and get started.
It's almost like we're sexing. Oh yeah. Yeah, do I like it? No, I can't deny it. But I know.
Okay, so I just took my hair out the plaits or whatever. It's like 90% dry. It's only the back that's kind of still damp, but the front is pretty much dry. So I'm just gonna use these to section off my hair so we could just get started with it. I use a denim brush to detangle my hair, a rat tail comb to part, scrunchies to separate my hair. I use some flat clips to hold down my twists, some curling cream to moisturize my hair, and gel to hold the hair in place. And also a spray bottle. I like to separate my hair into 4 sections because in the 2 back sections I do 2 strand twists, and in the front I do flat twists since the crown / the front of my hair likes to get puffy. So I start by grabbing a smaller piece from the section, and I usually just use my hands to feel for how big I want my piece. And I like my curls on the medium size, so not too small, not too big, because big curls they don't last that long for me, and smaller curls, they just take too long. So I just get a medium piece. I use a comb for a little bit, but usually I just feel it out with my hands. So I'm going to start by spraying a little bit of warm water. I have low porosity hair, so my hair loves warm water, but I'm not going to spray too much because my hair is already dry and I don't want to cause shrinkage because I want this twist out to be big. I'm going to start by moisturizing my hair with the Creme of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream. This product is inexpensive and it gets the job done for me, but you could use any moisturizer or leave-in that you want because that's your business. I'm going to be going in with some wet line gel so it could give my twist out a good hold. So I'm going to be brushing my hair with my denim brush just to get out any tangles, because sometimes my twist outs are a little frizzy because I had a few tangles. So now it's time to get a little up close and personal so we can see how to do these twists. So in the back, like I said, I just do a regular 2-strand twist. Just make sure that you get an even amount on both sides, because once you start twisting, you don't want to grab any hair from the other side, because when it's time to unravel it, it's going to be fuzzy because it's just going to be too much tangling and untangling going on. So just stick with the pieces that you started with. I usually go right over left, and I just make sure that my twists are nice and tight. So when I get to the bottom, I add a little water and I add a little gel and curl it with my finger so that the end won't be stringy and it'll have a curl to it. So now I'm going to repeat those steps until the entire section is complete and the whole back is full of 2-strand twists. I'm done twisting the back section, and I added some more hair from this section back here. So for the top of my hair, the crown of my hair, it always gets puffy easily. So when I do twist outs, I like to flat twist the top. But I think I'm going to try a side part for today. I always do middle. So I'm just going to part it and then start flat twisting. So once I get the part that I want, so you can do middle part, side part. So I got the side part that I want. It's time for me to section off a smaller piece so I can start flat twisting. Now let's not pay attention to the parts in the back. All right. So for the flat twist, I do the same process. I spray a little bit of water. I put a little bit of cream some gel, and then I'll brush it out. So to start the flat twist, you just pick up a little piece from your section and you part it in two, and you just start to twist to the scalp. And while you're twisting, you pick up and you add more hair until you get to the bottom. Then I add a little clip there just so it won't poof up or nothing like that. Then I repeat this step until all my flat twists are done. But yeah, I'm gonna come back tomorrow, let it sit, you know. Come back tomorrow, take them out so we can see what it's looking like. Okay, but yeah, this is my twist out routine. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow. So I waited until the next day to untwist my hair, and I just placed a little bit of oil on my fingers to prevent frizz. You can use any oil that you like. You don't need a lot, just a little bit. When you're unraveling your twist, just start from the bottom and take your time, just so you won't create any frizz. Y'all, do y'all see how defined my twists are coming out? Do y'all see that? Okay, so now it's time to pull out the flat twist. With the flat twist, you just want to be extra careful because for some reason they always come out frizzy for me. So yeah, just be extra careful while pulling them out. Just take your time. So as y'all can see, my twist out came out very defined, like boom, barely no frizz, well at least in the back. You know, the front was giving me a run for my money. So this is not, you know, this is okay, but I like to separate it because I like my hair big. So I just try to separate it without creating any frizz. So yeah, I just play with it until I get it to look how I want. So after I do that, I go in with my pick. I'm just gonna start picking at the roots. I'm just gonna keep playing with it until I get to my desired look. So to separate it, I just go down. If it's tangled, I start from the bottom, just to create more curls. So I just basically separate until I get the results that I want. I told y'all I like big hair. It's still defined, it's still pretty defined. I just like it boom. This is like my first time trying, well, I haven't done a side part in a minute. It's not my first time, but it's cool. It's just a flat twist part, it's just a little puffy. Oh my god, this is it. Okay guys, thanks for watching my video on how I achieved my twist out. Yeah. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure you subscribe, comment down below if you liked it, if you want to see me do any other styles. I will see y'all next time. Bye, have a great day. Don't let nobody ruin it, period. Okay.
All my diamonds shine 'cause they really